Those commissions came from a tiny AI business affiliate marketing for any length of time, you already know how frustrating that can be. Most people never fail because affiliate marketing doesn't work. They fail because the workload is ridiculous. You're expected to become a writer, a copywriter, an SEO expert, a designer, a traffic expert, an email marketer, and a salesperson, all at the same time. Eventually, most people give up, but something happened over the last year that quietly changed everything. People stopped asking Google first. Now they're asking AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. People don't want another article anymore. They want answers. They want conversations. And that's when everything clicked for me. I realized I wasn't supposed to build another website. I needed to build something completely different. Not another chatbot, not another landing page, not another funnel, a tiny AI business. Think about it. Instead of sending visitors to a page that just sits there, imagine sending them to an AI business that immediately starts talking to them. It asks questions, learns exactly what they need, builds trust naturally, answers objections, recommends the right product, I'll see you inside.